Welcome back. The purpose of this video is to talk about a few ways that you may best organize your learning of this course, to explain what resources are available to you and how you can best use these resources to support your self-exploration and mastery of the course content. The course is organized in several modules. The structure is clearly seen on the timeline that is provided to you on the learning website. Use this timeline to pace yourself throughout the course. For each module, you have the following resources. There is a welcome video that overviews the content and activities of each module. There are specific assigned readings of the textbook and coding materials. There are slides, there's homework, and I have made numerous homework assistant videos to help you resolve any issues that you might have with the homework questions. For each module, start with the welcome video, then browse the assigned readings, get a rough idea of what will be covered. Then you are ready to use the slides to guide your more in-depth reading and understanding. When you feel that you're ready to listen to what I have to say, you will then watch the lecture recordings. Practice the coding exercises along the way by using the coding resources and the data resources. You will have various issues probably, and when you do, try to think about them independently, and then if needed, ask your TA as well as me. And don't forget to start doing homework as soon as you finish watching the lecture videos. Do not expect to complete each of the homework in one shot in its entirety. Be prepared to start and then stop and pause, relearn materials, revisit topics in the videos and the materials, reread the textbooks, and then come back to questions and resolve questions. Progress through the homework questions one by one until you have completed the entire homework. I can't emphasize this enough. Don't wait until the last day or days that you start your homework. Start your homework as soon as possible, as soon as you complete watching the lecture videos. And that's when you are in the best state to start and leave ample rooms for you to complete each of the questions before you submit them.